Hey, welcome back. The Tiki car is looking a little shabby. Time to spruce up our bamboo and give this stuff a new coat of varnish. We made our plastic car a real woody with old pallet wood. Doesn't cost a lot of money to have fun. I built this car out of scrap and junk that I had lying around. The only thing I bought was screws and wire and glue. We got our bar stools and bar top hidden on the inside. We'll bolt it up when we're ready to go serve some alcohol-free drinks to some of my friends. Yeah, a real quick sanding job. And off of the discount rack at Home Depot. Yeah, $12. One coat only. That's all we're gonna use. Before. And a quick sanding with the DA. And we're gonna go with a fresh coat of clear varnish. One coat of varnish. We are touching up the eyes because they got a little sanded down. Just a little black paint on a Q-tip. The easiest way to fix cracks in a Saturn body panel. There you go. What to do with all this peeling clear coat? Minwax. Let it dry. Look at that. Shinier than new. Wow. Look how it beads water. Amazing. That came out pretty good, so I think I'm gonna do the rest of this. This car has peeling clear coat just on like really strange spots. All along there. And in the front bumpers and spots. Professional body work is expensive, so we're gonna cheat and just do our Minwax polyurethane on here. Before and after. Another before and after. Shiny. We'll even do our door handles too. I lightly scuffed this and gave it a second coat, and there you go. Cheap fix. Follow me for more money-saving tips. Look, it even works on protecting patina. You got a patina rod? Here. Minwax. It even works on old faded headlights. The Got Tiki lettering got a little worn out. I'm gonna have my artist daughter whip up some new letters for us. Well done. Thank you, Amanda. Wanna go for a ride? Who's the idiot that bought a tiki bar? Oh, that's me. Rain cannot dampen our spirits. The party must go on.